La machine here, guys, and as you can see, it's nighttime. And what am I doing? I got a whole shopping cart full of snack foods, and this is what it looks like. If you ever want to know, okay, what's it like when this guy, he says he sources everything at the grocery store, and he says he's showing his numbers. He's doing, anywhere from 15, 20,000 a month in sales. What does that look like when he, typical trip to the grocery store, what does that look like? And so this is what it looks like, guys. This is what you gotta understand. You're gonna be filling up your cart. I'm throwing this stuff in my van. This is what it's gonna look like, just to give you an example. Now, if you really wanna know how to make the kind of money that I make selling snack foods, what you really wanna do is take a minute and register so that you can watch the free training. It's the Snack Food Symposium. What it is a complete workshop. It's free. You sign up. It's ready to go. Okay, you can go right into it. No wait. And you can learn all the tips, tricks, secrets. We just unpack everything. It's exactly what I like to do. But I really need to get into all of that on this platform. But if that's what you're into, check it out, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe, and support the channel.